Hi everyone, I'm Naz from Glojas and hope everyone is keeping very well and safe. Today I would like to talk about cellulite reduction treatment. Cellulite is the skin dimpling and lumpiness seen over the skin. This is especially prominent at the thighs, buttocks, and abdomen of affected women. Its formation is attributed to connective tissues scarring underneath the dermis of the skin. It causes no physical harm but is cosmetically unappealing, especially when you are in your miniskirt or swimming suit. Factors that cause cellulite are genetic, hormone, gender, diet, obesity, abrupt weight change, unhealthy lifestyle, and pregnancy. More often than not, it's a mixture of various factors that give rise to cellulite problem. What are you waiting for? Glojas has the best solution for you. Visit our doctor for a detailed and free consultation. Our doctor can provide you with a treatment plan best suited to you. Glojas brings out the best in you.